Hi everyone, my name is Julie Baxa and I'm a professional learning specialist with GrapeSEED. I'm here with my friend Marvin Monkey today. Marvin and I are going to show you how to make a flag cake. We're going to use our flag cake at our family dinner for the 4th of July, but any day is the perfect day to make a flag cake. The ingredients that you'll need to make your flag cake are a cake mix and some frosting. For my cake mix I need water, eggs, and butter. And to make the flag on top of the cake you'll need some blueberries and strawberries. Marvin and I are going to begin by making our cake according to the directions on the back of the box. Okay, while the cake is baking and cooling, this is the perfect time to cut your strawberries. This might be an adult job. I'm going to start by just cutting off the stem, and then I want to make thin strips, so I'm going to cut it into thirds and then again in half. Okay, our cake is cool, so we're ready to put the frosting on the cake. Our blueberries to make our stars on our cake. Alright, I've got my 50 blueberries on for my 50 stars on the cake, and now I'm ready to start making my stripes with those strawberries that I cut up earlier into thin strips. We're going to put 13 stripes on our cake, of course, for the 13 colonies that were the original states. So again, maybe having a conversation with your child about why we have 13 stripes and 50 stars on our American flag. Thank you so much from Marvin Monkey and myself, Julie Baxa at GrapeSEED, for watching our video on how to make a flag cake. We hope that you enjoy your flag cake as well.